Bandicoot. Bandicoots are small to medium-sized marsupials native to Australia and New Guinea. There are around 20 species of bandicoots, all of which are characterized by their long, pointed snouts, short legs, and distinctive fur patterns. Bandicoots are primarily nocturnal, and are often found in forests, woodlands, and grasslands. They feed on a variety of insects, small animals, and plant material, using their sharp snouts to dig through the soil in search of food. In recent years, many species of bandicoots have been threatened by habitat loss and predation by introduced predators such as foxes and cats. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and restore bandicoot populations in their native habitats. Here are some interesting facts about the life of bandicoots. Number 1. Reproduction. Bandicoots are marsupials, which means that they give birth to underdeveloped young, that then develop further in their mother's pouch. Female bandicoots have a short gestation period of around 12 to 14 days, after which they give birth to up to 6 young. Number 2. Habitat. Bandicoots are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, woodlands, grasslands, and even urban areas. They are primarily nocturnal and spend most of their day in underground burrows. Number 3. Diet. Bandicoots are omnivores and eat a variety of foods, including insects, spiders, worms, small animals, and plant material such as fruits and seeds. They use their long snouts to dig through the soil and leaf litter to find food. Number 4. Lifespan. The lifespan of a bandicoot can vary depending on the species and environmental factors, but they generally live for 2 to 4 years in the wild. Number 5. Predators. Bandicoots are preyed upon by a variety of animals, including foxes, cats, snakes, birds of prey, and dingoes. Number 6. Conservation. Many species of bandicoots are threatened by habitat loss and predation by introduced predators. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and restore bandicoot populations, including habitat restoration, predator control programs, and captive breeding programs. Number 7. Unique characteristics. Bandicoots have several unique characteristics, including a long snout, short legs, and a prehensile tail. They are also known for their ability to hop, similar to kangaroos and wallabies, although they are not as efficient at hopping as these larger marsupials. Bandicoots face several biological challenges that can impact their survival, including Number 1. Habitat loss. As human populations continue to expand and develop natural habitats, bandicoots are losing the places they need to live, breed, and feed. This loss of habitat can also lead to increased competition for resources and higher levels of predation. Number 2. Predation. Introduced predators, such as foxes and cats, have had a significant impact on many species of bandicoots. These predators have few natural predators in Australia, and as a result, their populations have grown to the point where they pose a significant threat to many native animals, including bandicoots. Number 3. Disease. Like many other wildlife species, bandicoots are susceptible to diseases. The spread of diseases such as toxoplasmosis, a disease caused by a parasite that can be transmitted by cats, can have a significant impact on bandicoot populations. Number 4. Genetic diversity. As bandicoot populations become increasingly fragmented due to habitat loss, their genetic diversity can be reduced. This can make them more susceptible to disease and less able to adapt to changing environmental conditions. Number 5. Climate change. Climate change is causing changes in rainfall patterns, temperature, and other environmental conditions that can impact the availability of food and water for bandicoots. This can lead to decreased reproductive success and lower survival rates. Number 6. Inbreeding. As bandicoot populations become isolated from each other, they may be more likely to mate with close relatives. This can lead to a reduction in genetic diversity and an increased risk of genetic abnormalities. These challenges underscore the importance of conservation efforts to protect and restore bandicoot populations and their habitat.